Patch here with June's EarFleek. So yeah, this video is a little late. So they originally sent me 2, and then like 3 days later they sent me the 3rd one. I didn't want to do the video until I got all 3. If you don't know what EarFleek is, it is a monthly subscription service for earrings like this, which is one of the ones that I got. It is $3.49 a month. You can always go and find codes online for your first month at 50% off, which is always nice. So there's 3 different styles you can choose from, or you can get all 3 like me. The styles, they're silly and fun. There is Boho Babe, and there is Minimalist but Groovy. So those are the 3 styles. If you can't choose and you just want to get one, but you can't choose, there is always the I don't give a hoot option, and that one, they pick one for you to send, and you could end up with like a pair like these, or possibly one of these. Now, they used to print on the envelopes which one was which, and they don't do that anymore. So, unless it says on the inside, I don't know which one is which, but I have all 3 here. So let's get started. The first envelope is, so you always get the card that says the same thing every time, that hey girl, that, you know, my stylist picked these out just for me, because yeah, that's what it is. So let's see. Oh, we got a jewelry, $20 jewelry gift voucher from Rock's Jewelry. Look good, give back, feel great. I'll have to check them out. Expires January 1st, 2019. That's always nice. I've gotten coupons that expire in like a couple weeks. Alright, so they wrap these pretty well, which is nice. Sometimes you can't get them out of the bubble wrap. And they always give these little pouches, which I like. And Juliet has come to join the party. Come here. You can hear her. Alright, so here are, it's just a black triangle. Juliet always likes to be in the videos, come on. Little black triangle stud earrings. There's Juliet. Those are really pretty and simple. I like the simple ones. I really do. One of my videos, I was actually complaining that there were not enough silver colored. She's gonna stand next to the camera and meow the entire time. So I was complaining that there were not enough silver colored earrings coming in the EarFleek, and someone that I believe is from EarFleek made a comment saying that they're gonna be adding more silver coloring earrings. So there, she wants it. Alright, so there is the first pair. It is your guess on which style it is. Alright, on to the next style. Look, I got another card picked just for me. And another jewelry voucher. Alright, next pair. Oh, they're dangly ones. Gold color again. But those are pretty and simple also. I really like those actually. Even though they are the gold coloring. If my camera would focus. They're really pretty and simple. And I like the length on them. So there is pair number 2. Do you approve? Alright. On to the last pair for Juliet. Knocks over the camera again. My card. I didn't get a gift voucher in the 3rd pair. Interesting. Alright, I'm thinking these are the silly but fun ones. So, pretty sure. And you can probably agree with me on that. Their little lips. Those are cute though. Little lips. So these are the Silly and Fun. The little black triangle. And those. So it's your guess on which one's which of the other two, but yeah, I pretty much guarantee the lips are the Silly and Fun. Maybe Boho Babe for these, and Minimalist but Groovy for the black triangles. But here are my June's EarFleek earrings. I really like them. I actually will probably wear all three of these. Every once in a while I get a pair that doesn't really fit me, but they're always, I like these. I like all three of these. So, if you have any questions or comments, leave me a comment. Let me know which ones you like the best. I know some people actually get different earrings each month, so let me know if you got different ones and which ones you got. If you have any suggestions on other subscription boxes that you want to see me open, any books you want me to review, restaurants, anything. If you just want to say hi to Juliet, say hi to Juliet, because she loves her fans and she loves being on the camera and controlling the camera. And I will see you next time. Bye. On to my mouse. I love you. Alright, so the cat knocked over the camera. That was fun. Mouse. Hey. Come here. Look.